I am awareness, an awareness that is usually identified as Maurice Bartley. I am someone who identifies as a man who was once born in Fermoy in Ireland, but who now lives in Rotherham. I am an awareness who has lived for 81 years in pretty good physical health, but who has also experienced some times of real confusion that have been identified and called a mental health problem. I am at this time present here at Roar with a group of people from different cultures and faith groups, and together we're engaged in a research project led by a group of people from Sheffield University. I need the air that I breathe, and I need to love. I need space within which to live, and I need food to sustain my physical body. I need friends to relate to. I need support from countless others who live around me, and I need to offer what support I can to others in the wider community. I can enjoy life, or I can allow people and events to get in the way of this enjoyment. I can think, breathe, walk, and I can talk to facilitate my interactions with those around me. I can remain focused on what is, or allow myself to get distracted by thoughts and events that either happened in the past or that may happen sometime in the future.